California's wild side is never far from view. Hidden in these oak-studded hills lies one of the region's secret off-road playgrounds. Today, I'm linking up with our guide to see what the 2026 Sierra 1500 AT4 can really do.
Hey, what's going on, Sean?
Hey, Will.
Hey, I've got the new 2026 Sierra 1500 AT4. You want to jump inside and see what this can do?
Absolutely. This is a great truck and a great place to put a truck like this to the test.
Let's do it. The Sierra 1500 AT4 is built for adventure. With a factory-installed 2-inch lift, off-road suspension, Rancho monotube shocks, skid plates, and a 2-speed AutoTrac transfer case. Under the hood, an available 6.2-liter V8 delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Inside, rugged meets refined. Jet black heated and ventilated leather appointed front seating surfaces with Kalahari accents, a 13.4-inch diagonal center touchscreen with Google built-in capability bring confidence to every drive. And with up to 14 available camera views and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control with trailering, the AT4 proves that smart and strong go hand in hand.
All right, it looks like we're about to hit a pretty steep hill here. You said there was a special button that I need to be pushing right now, right?
Yeah, so this truck is equipped with hill descent control. So essentially, if you push the button on the dash, you'll see the light come on in the cluster.
Copy, yep.
There you go. Okay, so hand steady,
Okay.
eyes up, let the system take over the braking. It'll hold a smooth crawl the entire way down. Okay. Don't ride the pedal.
Okay, I'm letting it go. Which is a really weird feeling to do when you're pointed straight down a hill, is to just let go of the braking.
All right, now steer, keep your feet planted on the floor.
Okay, yep.
And you can feel the truck is actually keeping you at 1 mile an hour.
This is really smooth. This is wild. It's exactly what we were talking about. It's like cruise control, but for braking.
The truck knows what the wheels are doing or how steep the grade is.
Right.
So it has advanced sensors all over it.
Yeah.
And it's holding it to 1 mile per hour the entire time. Now, if you want to go faster, you can increase the speed.
Just like with cruise control?
Just like with cruise control. Or even with the pedal itself.
Okay.
So if you feel it get to an obstacle and slow down too much, just give it a tiny bit of gas and it'll get you right over that.
Okay. This feels like cheating on off-roading. It just does all the work for you.
All the work.
I like it though.
Especially on a truck that's this big.
Yeah.
It's so nice to have a co-pilot with the truck to help you get down the trail smoothly, securely, and confidently.
And not everybody can bring Sean with them everywhere.
I'm your personal hill descent control.
Exactly, yeah.
You can feel the confidence. It's not about finding the trail, it's about working with it. And that's exactly what this truck delivers. In these hidden hills, strength and refinement meet. The Sierra 1500 AT4 blends muscle, comfort, and confidence. Built for the obstacles and the adventures that follow.
Will, thanks for coming out.
Hey, that was fun. Glad we got to test out the truck. And it is your turn to drive now, Sean.
All right.
This is the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Smart, strong, and ready for anything.